This map leads to the forgotten town.
But the only bus here looks like it hasn't run in years.
What's an adventure without a little risk?
Are you sure it's safe?
Looking for adventure, are you? Hop in.
Can you take us to the forgotten town?
I can take you wherever the map leads.
The fog's getting thicker.
There's a turn up ahead. The map says we should go left.
The road less traveled.
What happened?
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Sometimes, to find what you're looking for, you must first get lost.
The map, it's pointing down this pathway.
Let's see where it leads.
We found it!
Let's go inside, everyone.
I'm really excited.
Wow, this is awesome.
I'm gonna open the gate now.
Are you sure? This is scary. I think we should go back home.
Be brave, Sandy. We're gonna be fine.
See, Sandy, there is nothing in here.
In here, it's quite dark and cold. What happened, Simon?
Maybe it was the wind?
Hey, everyone come this way. We found the treasure chest.
Wow, this is awesome.
Can you open the treasure chest, Simon?
Okay. There is nothing in it. But how do we get back?
Mr. Winston! You have come at exactly the right time. We need to get home.
Your journey back is with me.